Hello, hello, hello. This is Georgia Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. And this is one that falls slightly outside of what we normally do. And by slightly, I mean almost a decade. But I bet you wouldn't know after paint correction and an 8-year ceramic coating applied that this is a 2016 Tundra. A gentleman reached out to me, only had a couple questions before booking. And we got this Toyota in here with some hard water spotting, some light swirling, some deeper scratches, and it looks like a brand new truck. Again, this is a 2016. Yes, we will work on vehicles that aren't new. Our primary focus is certainly, fresh off the dealership lot, but we can and will perform paint correction and install ceramic coating on basically anything and everything. If it's got 4 wheels, that is our wheelhouse. We exclusively install and maintain ceramic coatings, so no general detailing, tint, radios, anything like that. Strictly the installation and maintenance of ceramic coatings, cars, trucks, SUVs, vans. We do the occasional boat or RV, but traditionally our client has just purchased a new vehicle. They were smart enough to tell the dealerships to kick rocks, and that they want real protection installed, and they come and see us. So again, this is a 2016 with an 8-year ceramic coating applied to the paint. And I know the gentleman is going to be blown away when he comes and picks this up tomorrow. I have this parked tight to the wall because we have a Palisade coming in that's new that's going to fill the space I am in right now. So yes, even in winter, even with the first snow starting to come down, we remain busy. Guarantee an appointment available within 2 weeks though, no matter how busy we get, because I do one service and one service only. I have a great method for installation. It's a proven system that's worked for a decade on over 1,000 installs. Carry a perfect 5-star rating on Google with over 120 reviews, I believe. So if you're looking for ceramic coating for your new car, truck, SUV, or van, or you have something that's a couple years older that you want to keep forever, ceramic coating is a great place to start with helping to protect that paint. Get you a shot here of this hood. This thing was water spotted to death, and it looks great now. So again, Georgia Coatings by the Bay. All of our prices are transparently posted on our website, but if that's too much work for you, you can just send me a text anytime, 920-659-0023. Send me a make, model, year, get a quote over to you. Again, our studio is in Appleton, but we will travel for mobile service anywhere in the state for a very, very small fee. The only requirement is that you have a heated space as well as basic water and power hookups. We certainly do much fewer installs in the winter in general, mobile. But it's convenient for a lot of people in Madison and Milwaukee. They find our prices are competitive with the local shops there, and they just opt because the depth of our website or knowledge or whatever it may be, they opt for me to come down from Appleton and take care of them. So we do serve the entire state. If you'd like a ceramic coating on your new car, maybe you put your collection up for the winter down in Madison, Milwaukee, out in Stevens Point, we would be happy to come to you and get it all prepped now so that there's no downtime in the spring. Again, the website's going to be coatingsbythebay.com. Or you can text me anytime at 920-659-0023 and get a quote for ceramic coating on your vehicle anywhere in the state of Wisconsin. Hope to talk to you soon.